In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Risk Calculator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a risk calculator to your TradingView chart and configure it so it reflects your trade plan with clarity and consistency. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice, and it's meant to help you make disciplined, repeatable decisions. Start on a chart in TradingView. Look along the top toolbar and click Indicators. Depending on your layout, it may read Indicators and Strategies, or you might see the FX icon on smaller screens. This opens the library where all built-in tools and community scripts live. If you don't see the panel right away, make sure your chart is active and not hidden behind another window. In the search bar that appears, type Risk Calculator, or type the exact name of the tool you prefer if you already know it. You'll see a mix of built-in tools and community-created scripts. Read the brief description to confirm the calculator does what you need, such as position sizing based on account risk, handling forex lots or crypto quantities, and supporting stop-loss inputs. Check for recent updates and a clear explanation from the author, so you understand how the script calculates size and risk. When you've found the one you want, click Add to Chart. The calculator loads immediately. You might notice labels, position boxes, or values overlaying your price chart, or it may open in a separate pane, depending on the script's design. If the chart looks cluttered, zoom or pan as needed so you can see both price action and the tool's readouts clearly. Now open the indicator settings to input your trade parameters. Click the small gear icon next to the indicator name in the chart's data panel. In the settings, fill in your key details. Typical fields include account balance or equity, the percentage of capital you're willing to risk per trade, your intended entry price, and your stop-loss price. Some calculators also let you add a target. Choose leverage, set tick size or contract value, and pick whether to output position size in shares, contracts, lots, or units. As you enter these values, watch the outputs update in real time. You should see your position size, the cash or currency amount at risk, and often the reward-to-risk ratio if a target is provided. Keep the risk percentage modest, and verify your stop-loss reflects your technical invalidation, not just a round number. If the position size returns decimals or odd quantities, round to the nearest tradable increment for your market. That's all it takes. Open indicators, search for your risk calculator, add it to the chart, and configure the settings to match your plan. Use it consistently to bring structure to every trade.